Hey guys, and welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Windscribe VPN on an iPhone. So let's assume that you cannot find a way to download Windscribe VPN on an iPhone. I'm going to be directing you to the exact method how you can download it. So first, you're going to be heading over to this particular link, free VPN for iPhone and iPad. Simply head over to this, and once you are there, you will be able to see that we have this option to download for iOS. So just click on this option. You can access this site using your Safari browser, and once you do, you will be coming across this particular App Store preview. Make sure to download this particular application, and once you do, you will be able to get that. So you can see the next step is going to be signing up. So make sure to sign up onto the platform and create your account. Once you do that and that is completed, you are going to be connecting your VPN, and boom, that is how you can use your VPN on an iPhone. If you cannot find a way, still let us know in the comments below. I will try my best to assist you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.